The word meaning of the suffixes e, li, and full. Brought to you by Amsen, located in Kashihara, Nara, Japan. Check us out on the web at americanschooloфenglish.info. Let's dive right in. E, or the ending Y, is a suffix that means made up of or characterized by laughter. For example, the word funny means made up of fun or humor. Example: my sister tells jokes that are extremely funny. Li is a suffix that means having the characteristics of, like in, quickly. Because she is in a hurry, she will go into the store quickly. Full. The suffix full means full of. An example using this suffix is careful. Everything on the shelf is breakable, so I will be careful when taking the items off. Careful means full of care. Let's take a look at some more words and their meanings. Let's look at the word sticky. First, we have stick. Means to cling or cause to cling. Now, if we add the Y or E, stick, E, sticky. The meaning becomes something that tends to cling or stick to something. Same with li and full. Sun, sunny, and success, successful. Let's look at some other words. E, li, full. Moody, merrily, wonderful. Chewy, weirdly, delightful. Foggy, cleverly, powerful. Rocky, crazily, skillful. Funny, lonely, useful. Let's look at some sentences using our e, li, and full suffixes. Funny. Malcolm is very funny. Malcolm is very funny. Rocky. The mountain is rocky. The mountain is rocky. Useful. Computers are useful. Computers are useful. Let's look at a few more examples. Wonderful. The party was wonderful. The party was wonderful. Powerful. That speech was powerful. That speech was powerful. Plentiful. Water is plentiful. Water is plentiful. Can you make some sentences on your own? Go ahead and try. And remember, E made up of or characterized by, li, characteristics of, full, full of. Until next time, like and subscribe for more cool content.